Wow, the bait situation here is going crazy. You see bait jumping everywhere. Look at them jumping. I don't know if you can see that. Good morning. Just another beautiful day here in Dania Beach. The bait situation in the morning, it was crazy. I got in the water like 4 o'clock in the morning and I didn't catch not a single bait until like 6. They start popping out of nowhere, like everywhere, all around the beach. So everybody actually ended up with a lot of bait. There's my bait. Hopefully we can have a good day today. Let's chase the big ones. See you in a bit. Alright, it's time to put a live bait out. Time to put a live bait. I'm in, where am I, like 90 feet of water. Beautiful morning. Let's see where we're gonna be. All right. Mwah. There you go. There he goes. Let's see what's gonna happen. Wish me the best. Let's go. Got something. I don't know what it is. Right there. It's here. Oh my God, it's a big tuna. Yeah. Woo! Yeah. Woo! What a beautiful fish! Woo! Oh my God! Oh. huge tarpon here. Oh my God, this thing is humongous. Whoa! Woo! Ah! Ah! Oh my God! What a beast! Woo! Wow! Wow. Hopefully I record that tarpon. What a fight. What a fight. What a nice fish to catch. Unbelievable. Whew. I've been chasing that fish, man, for so long. Finally caught one. Unbelievable. Fighting here in the inlet. The memories will last forever.